To use TradingView with Topstep, start by creating an account on both platforms on TradingView. Sign up for a free or paid subscription depending on your needs. And on Topstep, apply for a trading account by filling out their application form. Once you have your accounts, link your Topstep account to TradingView by going to the TradingView website, clicking on the paper airplane icon, and selecting Topstep from the list of available brokers. You will be prompted to enter your Topstep login credentials to complete the connection. After linking your accounts, you can start using TradingView to analyze and trade the markets. TradingView offers a wide range of technical indicators, charts, and other tools to help you make informed trading decisions. You can use these tools to identify potential trading opportunities and create a trading plan. To place a trade using Topstep, open the TradingView platform and navigate to the chart of the market you want to trade. Click on the Buy or Sell button at the top of the chart to open the order window. Select the Topstep account you linked earlier as the broker. Choose the type of order you want to place, and set the size of your trade. You can also use TradingView's alert system to notify you when a trading opportunity arises. To set up an alert, click on the alert icon at the top of the chart and create a new alert based on your trading strategy. When the alert is triggered, you can quickly execute a trade using your Topstep account. To get the most out of using TradingView with Topstep, it is essential to develop a solid trading strategy and stick to it. This includes setting clear goals, managing risk, and continuously monitoring and adjusting your strategy as market conditions change. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use TradingView with Topstep to improve your trading performance and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means.